These weight loss injections are about to get up to 75% cheaper in India. But before you rush to the pharmacy, you need to understand what they really do to your body. Hi, I'm Dr. Kruti Dirwani, and today we need to talk about the truth behind these viral weight loss pens. These medications belong to a class called GLP-1 receptor agonist. They were originally developed for diabetes management. So their primary action is not fat burning. They slow down your digestion and send strong signals to your brain that you are full. In simple terms, you eat less because you physically cannot eat more. Now, if you think you can keep eating your pizzas, burgers, chole bhatures, gulab jamuns, and still magically drop kilos, that's not how it works. The drug controls your appetite, not your food choices. In fact, these drugs simply kill your appetite for such foods, so you are physically unable to overeat. Now, if you try to force feed yourself, you will face severe nausea, acid reflux, bloating, and vomiting. But as a clinician, my biggest warning is what happens internally. Rapid weight loss without proper planning often leads to significant muscle loss. And muscle is a metabolic engine. Losing it can slow your metabolism, reduce strength, and leave you feeling fatigued and weak. That's why these medications must be combined with a structured, high protein diet and regular strength training. Without that, the results can backfire. This brings me to the question, who should avoid it? If you are looking for a quick shortcut to drop 5 kilos to fit into a lehenga or a suit for an upcoming wedding, stay away. Unsupervised rapid fat loss dissolves facial fat, leading to hollow, sagging skin, famously known as the Ozempic face. And the harsh reality, the moment you stop taking the drug, the weight regain is almost guaranteed because you never fixed your foundational habits. So, second question, who are they actually for? They are excellent life changing tools for patients battling severe clinical obesity or uncontrolled type 2 diabetes, prescribed under strict medical supervision. Think of these injections like training wheels on a bicycle. They provide the support you need so you don't fall, but eventually you have to do the pedaling yourself through diet and exercise. Because at the end of the day, lasting health doesn't come from a syringe, it comes from habits you build when no one is watching.